Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be brown-stewing up some pork chops, so get your notebook ready and handy so you can write down some ingredients. First things first, you need to wash your meat. Make sure that all that blood and gooey stuff goes off the meat. I normally use vinegar and lime. You can use whatever works best for you. Also get your ingredients ready because this is going to be an easy breezy video. So some thyme, some scallion, some onions, some Scotch bonnet pepper, and those are majority of my ground provisions that I'm going to be using as seasoning. This is it all combined together. Be careful when you're doing this step because you don't want to cut yourself. The bone in the pork chops can, as well as the meat is very soft, so you don't want to get it ripped apart. So you have the garlic, you got browning, you got black pepper and paprika. Very minimal, very easy. You can find it in every and any kitchen. So in a skillet, make sure it's dry, no water, because you don't want the oil to be popping, as well as let the oil get to a correct temperature, please. As well as be gentle when you're putting the pork chops into the pot. You don't want the oil to be splashing into your face or your chest. Kitchen safety is very important. And let the pork chops sit in the skillet for 2 to 3 minutes, and you flip them over and you get a delightful aroma, and you want to start eating, but it's not ready yet. Just wait. All right, so right here on a paper napkin, we're gonna let them rest, get that excess oil out the pork chops. And with that skillet that we had earlier, we threw out the excess oil, and we're gonna put some fresh oil in, keep that same residue, all of that good flavor, and saute it with the veggies that we had, that onion, thyme, scallion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Let that reduce and caramelize, and you had some warm water to the pot because you want to maintain a certain temperature. And I had some ketchup to it, and I just let that marinate and do it thing, and it was delicious. I'm telling you, the aroma was so delightful. Everybody thought I was cooking fried chicken but I let this sit on the stove like medium to low heat for like 25 to 30 minutes, and you can go and do whatever you want to do in that meantime, but still check on it and make sure that, look at that steam. Be very careful, guys. And that's the finished product. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is from my kitchen to yours. Have a wonderful day.